inspectAR is an augmented reality tool for working on electronics. So it will display design information about a circuit board in real time onto a video feed of that circuit board, so that all the information you need as an engineer, as a technician, or even as a manager is right there in the one window. So we're here tonight at the inspectAR office having a soldering party with Eastern Edge Robotics from Memorial University.
Saves me lots of time. Honestly, I spend a lot of time looking at my board on my laptop, and if I don't have to do that, I can just look right there and it's like, hey, this capacitor goes here, this one goes there. I can just do them all at once.
Another thing I really like is the fact that you can select multiple components at the same time with the same value. So if I have a bunch of 1K or 10K resistors, I can solder them all at once and I know exactly where they go on the board very accurately. And again, the real-time feedback definitely helps there.
Our application can be deployed on 4 different platforms: Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. What you see behind us is inspectAR getting used in 2 ways. We're running it on desktop through an external web camera. So you can put a webcam on a stand over your circuit board in the lab, just come in, connect your laptop, and get to work on the board. You can search for components in real time, so you can say display all 10K resistors, and then go and solder those up. Alternatively, inspectAR is being used on a mobile phone. Under the microscope, what you can do off to the side is have inspectAR running on your phone, take your phone, move it over the circuit board, search, show me all 10K resistors, and then freeze the frame using a feature of our app and move it off to the side where you can continue to go and solder very quickly.
The things I really liked is that it's really easy to find the components you're looking for. You can see the board live, so you don't have to look around through your, for me, KiCad to try and find it. It's really easy to find them, and when you click on it, the value of the component pops right up.
You're gonna save a bunch of time because you don't need to keep going into different pieces of software in order to look up information such as, where is this resistor located on the board? Which net is connected to which pin of this component and where is it? And then also, you're gonna save mistakes because all that information is tied to the video feed of the board. So it's very, very difficult for you to make an error.